Yes, good morning, my dear Kiran Raj. Good morning. Have you completed your classwork notes, my dear children?
Completed, sir.
Have you all submitted your complete classwork notes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Have you gone through the classwork notes?
Yes,
Properties of
sir.
inverse trigonometric functions. Yesterday we have discussed some properties of inverse trigonometric functions. Today also we discuss some more properties of inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, my children, you have to memorize these properties. In the previous class also I told you we use these properties. We use these properties of inverse trigonometric functions as formulae. In solving the problems, we use these properties of inverse trigonometric functions as formulae. Memorize these formulae well. Okay, my dear children.
Okay, sir.
Now we continue the properties of inverse trigonometric functions. Yesterday, fourth property is over. Now, fifth property. Two more properties are there. This fifth property. Fifth property, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy, where xy less than 1. This is a very useful inverse trigonometric property. While solving the problems, we use this property very frequently. I will prove this statement, prove this property, but in the examination they will not ask you to prove this property. Okay, my dear children. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy when xy value less than 1. Okay, my dear children. Now let us consider tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse x let tan inverse x is equal to,
Sir, you need to move the camera a little bit, sir.
yes, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How do you write from this equation tan inverse x is equal to a? We assumed here tan inverse x is equal to a. Then what is x value? What is x value? Can you tell me? Ashwantram, if you send tan inverse to right side, if you transpose tan inverse to right side, what will happen? What will you get here? Ashwantram, if you transpose tan inverse to RHS, then what will you get? X is equal to, what will you get?
Sir,
Please remember this point, my dear children. If you transpose sine inverse to RHS, it becomes a sine. It's reciprocal, just like a
okay,
reciprocal. Cos inverse
okay,
changes
sir.
to cos. Tan inverse changes to tan. Cot inverse changes to cot. If you transpose Okay, my dear children.
Okay, sir.
I stressed this point. Please focus on this point, my dear children. If you transpose tan inverse, what will you get here? Now, can you tell me?
Tan x, sir.
Say loudly. X is
Tan
equal
x,
to
x is equal to a tan.
X is equal to.
Tan.
Tell me loudly. X is equal to
The tan, sir.
tan A, not A tan. It is
Okay, sir.
meaningless. A tan is meaningless. Tan means
Okay, sir.
we should take trigonometric ratio of a given angle. A is angle here. A is an angle. X is a real
Okay,
number.
sir.
So X
Okay,
is
sir.
equal to tan A. Understood this equation, my dear? Kevin
Yes,
Paul,
sir.
Krupal, Preetika, Grison, Ayushi
Yes,
Singh,
sir.
Joseph, Kiran
Yes,
Raj,
sir. Yes, sir.
James Jensen, Jerome,
Yes,
Jesli
sir.
Raj. If you transpose tan inverse, it becomes tan. We should write tan A, not A tan. It is meaningless. Okay, my dear children. We write X is equal to, if you send tan inverse to RHS, it becomes tan A. Understood this point, my dear children? If you send sine
Yes, sir.
inverse, if you send sine inverse, if you transpose a sine inverse into RHS, it becomes a sine. If you transpose cos inverse, it becomes a cos. Okay. Similarly, tan inverse y is equal to b. Now tell me what is the y value? What is the y value here? If tan inverse y is equal to b, if we assume tan inverse y is equal to b, then what is y value? What is
Tan
the,
B, sir.
Tan B, sir.
yes, tan b. If here also we are transposing tan inverse to RHS. Here already b is there, so we write tan b, not b tan. Okay. Are you
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
watching the videos or not? Because of that mistakes, you are not watching the videos regularly. That is why you are not able to follow the class. You are not able to follow the class. Simply, you are not watching the videos. That's all. That is the main reason. You only asked the videos to post the videos, sir, class videos. We will watch. When I found the views in my YouTube channel, no one is watching. Nobody is watching the videos. You are neglecting. Hereafter, I will stop posting the videos. Just I will post only classwork notes. Okay. It is a waste of time for me also. I told you it clearly. Again, I have to spend 1 more hour to do that process. 1 more hour additionally to post one video in YouTube. Again, it is taking 1 more time. 1 hour time. You are not watching the videos regularly. That is the main reason. Will you watch the videos regularly hereafter ST at least? Will you watch the videos hereafter?
Okay, sir.
Watch the videos. Kevin Paul, Krupal, Preetika especially. You only asked that
Yes,
point.
sir.
Sir, I have seen yesterday's video, sir.
Watch the videos, not only yesterday video. Not only yesterday video or not only day before yesterday video. Every day I'm posting the videos. Every day I'm posting the videos for every class. Every day I'm posting the video of every class. But you are not utilizing. You are not utilizing that. You are not utilizing that. That is the main problem. Okay. tan inverse x is equal to a by plus x is equal to tan a. From this equation, tan inverse y is equal to b, y is equal to tan b. We know that tan of a plus b. Can you tell me what is the formula tan of a plus b? Tan of a plus b formula. In first year, we have studied tan of a plus b. In first year, in trigonometric functions chapter, tan of a plus b. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a. This is the formula. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In this formula, let us substitute tan a is equal to x and tan b is equal to y. Okay. So, tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b is equal to what is tan a? What is the value of tan a?
X, sir.
X. Plus what is the value of tan b?
Y, sir.
Y by 1 minus tan a is x and tan b is y. So in RHS we got x plus y by 1 minus xy. If you send this tan function into RHS, what will you get here? In LHS we are sending tan. Okay, in LHS we are sending tan. What is left here? A plus b. Yes or no? A plus b. Only a plus b is left here. We are sending this function to RHS. Then it becomes, what will you get here in RHS?
Tan inverse, sir.
Yes, tan inverse.
Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy.
Actually, what is a here? At the beginning, we considered a is equal to.
Tan inverse of x, sir.
What is b here?
Tan inverse y, sir.
Tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. This is the proof. This is a proof for the property of inverse trigonometric function. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, my children.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, we can prove the next property, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy, where xy greater than minus 1. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy, where xy is greater than minus 1. This is another property. Okay. Once all of
Okay,
you
sir.
read these two properties one by one, Kevin Paul, read these two properties one by one. I repeat once, all of you listen carefully how to read these two properties. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. That's all. Up to here, read the two lines. Kevin Paul, start.
Tan inverse
Start
x
reading.
plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy, where x belongs to x, y greater than minus 1.
Very good. My dear Krupal, read these two lines. Read these two lines, Krupal.
Sure. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equals tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. Xy is greater than minus 1.
Okay, my dear Krupal. Preetika, read these two lines, Amma.
Yes, sir. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equals tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy, where xy is greater than minus 1.
Very good, my dear Preetika. Grayson,
Yes, sir. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equals tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy, where xy is less than 1. And tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y equals tan inverse of x minus y, x minus y by 1 plus xy, where xy greater than minus 1.
very good, my dear Grayson. Ayush Singh, read these two lines.
Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy, comma xy is greater than minus 1.
Very good, my dear Ayush. My dear Joseph, read these two lines.
Okay, sir. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy, where xy is greater than minus 1, sir.
Okay, my dear Joseph. Kiran Raj,
Yes, sir.
read these two lines.
Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy, where x and y is greater than minus 1.
XY, not x comma y. XY greater than minus 1. Okay, my dear Kiran Raj. My dear Staines
Okay, sir.
Jensen, read these two lines. Staines Jensen.
Tan, yes sir, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy, where xy is greater than minus 1.
Okay, my dear Staines Jensen. Now, Jerome Raj, read these two lines.
Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy, where xy is less than minus 1. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy, where xy is greater than minus 1.
Very good, my dear Jerome Raj. Yashwantram, my dear
Tan
Yashwantram.
inverse tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy, where xy is greater than minus 1.
Okay, very good, my dear Yashwantram. My dear Janani, read these two lines, Amma.
Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy, where xy is greater than minus 1.
Okay, my dear Janani. Blessina, read these two lines, Amma.
Okay, sir. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy, where xy is greater than minus 1.
Please memorize these two formulae well, my children. Very, very important formulae for this exercise. Okay, my children. Will you
Okay, sir.
memorize? Yes. Please memorize these two formulae well. Now come to the next property. Last property.
Sir, you need to move your camera, sir.
Yes. This is the last property, inverse trigonometric functions. 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x value is defined in three ways: in sine inverse, in terms of sine inverse, in terms of cos inverse, in terms of tan inverse. We can write tan inverse x value in terms of sine inverse, in terms of cos inverse, and in terms of tan inverse. I will read these formulae. Listen carefully, my dear children. 2 tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, where mod x is less than or equal to 1. And second, in terms of cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, where x is greater than or equal to 0. If you want to write 2 tan inverse x value, if you want to write the value of 2 tan inverse x in terms of tan inverse, then we use this formula. Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, where minus 1 less than x less than 1. I will repeat this formula. Listen carefully. All of you have to read these three formulae one by one. 2 tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse x is equal to, okay, I will write this also again. 2 tan inverse x is equal to 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. And 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Okay. Here also we can prove these three formulae. We can prove these three formulae also. Just I will prove the first formula for your convenient. Just I will prove that one. Tan inverse x is equal to, or x is equal to tan A. X is equal to tan A. Then what will you get? That x is equal to tan A. If you send tan to LHS, what will you get? A is equal to, we are assuming that x is equal to tan A.
Sir, A is equal to tan inverse of x.
A is equal to tan inverse x. Yes or no, my children?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
This is a trigonometric formula you have already learned in first year. Sin 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. This is a formula for sin 2a. Okay. In this formula, let us substitute tan x, tan a is equal to x. Tan a is equal to x. Sin 2a, what will you get if you substitute tan a is equal to x? What will you get in RHS? What will
So
you get in
2x.
if you substitute tan a is equal to x? What will you get?
So 2x
2x,
by
sir.
2x by
1 by x square, sir. 1 plus x
1,
square, sir.
1 plus x square. By substituting tan a is equal to x, we get this step. Okay. If you send this sign to RHS, what will you get here? What will you get here?
So sin a equals 2a equals sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square.
Yes, sine inverse of. Previously, I told you if you send a sine to RHS, it becomes a sine inverse. Sine inverse of whatever RHS there. Before that, we write sine inverse. So sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. What is a here? What is a here?
Tan inverse of x, sir.
Yes, tan inverse x. This implies 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. See that first property we got here. 2 tan inverse x is equal to 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. We got this first property. Okay. I proved that first property 2 tan inverse x is equal to, we wrote the value of 2 tan inverse x in terms of sin inverse.
Sir.
Similarly, what, my dear Preetika?
Sir, can you repeat the step after 2a is equal to sin inverse?
2 tan inverse x, because a is equal to,
Sir, your
what is
note is
a
not
here?
visible, sir.
What is a here? A is equal to
A is equal to tan inverse of x, sir.
yes, tan inverse x. So in LHS, I substituted a is equal to tan inverse x because a is equal to tan inverse x.
Sir, can you move our note little bit, sir?
Now is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So these are the properties of inverse trigonometric functions. By using these properties, we solve the sums in the exercise. But you should memorize these properties well, my dear children. Again and again, I am telling you, you should memorize all these properties of inverse trigonometric functions well. Okay, will you do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now come to the exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. All of you open the page number, textbook page number 47. All of you open the textbook, page number 47. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Have you opened that first? Have you opened the textbook?
Yes, sir.
What is the first question? In that exercise 2.2.
So the first question is 3 sine inverse x equals sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube, where x belongs to open interval minus 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2. We need to prove it,
Yes.
sir.
3 sine inverse x is equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube, comma x belongs to close interval minus 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2. Ignore this part. Ignore this one. No need to discuss this point now. Just we prove this statement. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, to prove this statement, let us substitute x is equal to sine A. Let x is equal to. Then what will you get here? X is equal to sine A, or sine A is equal to x. Then what will you get? A is equal to. What is A value?
Sine inverse of x, sir.
Very good, Pritika. If x is equal to sine A, then A is equal to sine inverse x. Okay, my dear Kevin Paul, Krupal, Ayush Singh, Joseph, Kiran Raj, Stains Johnson.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this line? Understood this step?
Yes.
Yes. We know that sine 3a formula. We know that
So you need to move your notebook a bit up, sir.
we know
Yes,
that
sir.
we know that sine 3a is equal to this is also trigonometric identity. This is also a trigonometric identity. Sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Okay, my dear children, this is already learnt in the first year. Sine 3a formula. Okay, so in this formula, that is why we wrote here, we know that this is a trigonometric identity. Please remember this trigonometric identity. Sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Now, in this formula, put sine a is equal to x. Put sine a is equal to x in this formula. Okay. I will write LHS as it is sine 3a. Then what will you get in RHS? If you substitute sine a is equal to x, in RHS what will you get?
So 3x minus 4x cube.
3x minus 4x cube. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you send sine, in LHS, sine trigonometric function is there. If you send sine to RHS, what will you get here in RHS?
So 3a, sir.
3a is equal to
Sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube, sir.
Okay. Now what is a here? What will you get from this equation? What is a here?
Sine inverse of x, sir.
Yes, 3 sine inverse x is equal to sine inverse of because A is equal to sin inverse x. That's all. That is only the required result. Yes or no? 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. We got the required result. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
But for this question, to prove the given statement, you should remember this trigonometric identity. Without knowing this trigonometric identity, you can't prove this statement. Okay. And next question. Next question. Read the next question. What is the next question? Prove that 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, comma, x belongs to closed interval 1 by 2, comma, 1. Okay. To prove this statement, let us assume that x is equal to cos A. Let cos A let us assume that x is equal to cos A or cos A is equal to x. Then what will you get? A is equal to, from this equation, what will you get, Kevin Paul? We assumed here cos A is equal to x. Then from this equation, what is A value? Can you tell me, Kevin Paul? Kevin Paul.
Sir, cos inverse A, sir.
Yes, cos inverse x. Previously I told you, if you send cos to RHS, it becomes cos inverse. Okay, my children, understood this step? Next, we have to recollect the previous knowledge. From the first year, we know that cos 3a is equal to this is also a trigonometric identity. Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay, my children, this is a trigonometric identity. Now, in this trigonometric identity, we substitute cos a is equal to x. Put a cos a is equal to x. Then, what will you get here? In LHS, cos 3a is equal to, in RHS, what will you get? Tell me, Kiran Raj. In RHS, in RHS, what will you get if you substitute cos a is equal to x? Kiran Raj.
Yes, sir.
What will you get in RHS if you substitute cos a is equal to x?
Don't know, sir.
Say loudly.
Sir, don't know, sir.
You don't know. Substitute cos a is equal to x in this equation RHS. What will
Yes,
you
sir.
get?
4x cube minus
4x
3x.
cube minus, sir, 4x
4x
cube
cube minus
minus 3x, 3x, sir.
then why are you telling I don't know? You know
Sir,
the answer.
little bit confused, sir.
You
Little
know
bit
the answer,
confused.
but you are telling I don't know the answer.
Sir, little bit confused, sir.
Don't be confused here. So here cos 3a is equal to 4x cube minus 3x. If you send cos to RHS, what will you get here in LHS? Here we are sending cos to RHS. In LHS, what is left here?
3a, sir.
3a is equal to, in RHS, what will you get?
Cos inverse, sir.
Cos inverse of 4x cube
4x cube minus 3x, sir.
minus 3x. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This implies 3a in LHS. What is a value here?
Cos inverse of x, sir.
Here, in the first line, see there, cos inverse x. 3 cos inverse x is equal to, we write RHS as it is, cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. That's all. Hence proved. Okay, my children?
Yes, sir.
Right. Please go through the notes, write the classwork notes, complete the classwork notes, my dear children, and memorize the properties of inverse trigonometric formulae. I am telling you again and again. Without knowing the properties of inverse trigonometric functions, you can't do the sums in this exercise. Okay, my dear children?
Okay, sir.
Now the time is 12 past 34 minutes. 12 past 34 minutes. What is the period time? 12:30
12:30,
only?
sir.
12:30 only?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my dear children. Now you can leave the meeting. Now you can
Thank
leave
you.
the meeting.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Take rest.
Thank
Take
you,
care
sir.
of your health, my dear children. Stay at home. Stay safe. Use
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
mask.
sir.
Use mask. Maintain social distance, my dear children. Sanitize your hands frequently and do your work sincerely and seriously. Submit
Okay, sir.
your work on time. Okay, my dear children.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, my dear Grayson. Thank you, Joseph. What, my dear Ayush, saying?